got the devil in your eyes. You went and took me by surprise. Say what you wanna say, I won't go back. If you wanna hit the road, then let's go then. Let's just go and see the world and just show them what it really means to live life golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden. Yeah, we're golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow, cause we're golden.
Nice.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Still checking if the place still cold. Moving in the way, no place, no snow. Straight chillin' with my niggas and shiver. Thinking about South Lake, thoughts on the river. Move back, nigga, move back, nigga. Fake Jordan, that's whack ass bitch, nigga. I come back with 11 damn shots. I claim this city and I take your spot. Stay thinking about a white one, thinking about a bright sun. Then I change straight from the dark shit. No tape when I'm playing with the black gun, nigga. You ain't never been a god since the last run. Calling, calling, calling. I'm calling, 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 calling. Shit, yeah. Dressed like a motherfucking god. When I reach the spot, niggas always tell me that I made it from the empty slot.
Mate, I should totally be a stuntman.
Change ways, niggas, no truth, no plot. Fuck a wet bread, no top, no spot.
Look at how much rubber's in this bitch.